You don't have to speak to me now, because I may not hear. Before my departure, you made it clear. What is to be said is already said. Let me take my final rest comfortably in my bed. The good times we share must remain a part of you, and may the good principle of life see you through. Don't cry, pray, cheer me on. Don't beg of me to stay. God give life and He take it away. He is the potter and I am the clay. Know that I am on my way into another day. Be strong, don't be weak. My silence not yet broken. Don't beg of me to speak. Allow the pastor to preach. Send me on with happiness and not grief.
See the people still there same way. King Western, same way with Gully Bop. But they want to pure water, sun rain. Any man we have bury now rain and fall. Well no blessing not there on him, but we're gonna finish him up. Alright, you are going out today now. Today we kinda forward and we kinda touch up the grave, do some rendering on the grave and the gate, they kinda touch it out, get it sensible. Alright, this is the fourth day. Here we are at Gully Bop final resting place. You may wonder why it looks like this, but the mason will be here just a day before because we couldn't get to paint today because the rain was falling, so we couldn't paint it. So when them come, we sort out all these places right here. This side, yeah? Yeah. I'm going to let he speaks and tell exactly what is happening. Yeah, because he can tell you. Alright, no problem, man. Here what happened here, so now, because this side at the back here, so we kind of get late here now. And we're actually finish around here, so. So the day when we're going to put in the bars and we're going to full out the space them over here show around the grave. That's when I have no problem and then we cast them off. Which is right. This is what got happen the last day when we take a paint. I just then touch out what happened. As can't do what go on today. Because rain was here. But this will go on today around here. And this will try to finish up to get it sensible. Right, just right round, come right round, come right round. And then when you come back that is fresh, when you fall off you come paint it out, then we touch out the back of it. And I think Gully Bop will be smart. And we're going to full out them hole here too. Them hole here, then if you backfill out with dirt, right? Yeah, that enough for the concept you know. And then the bars, the books sensible. Why we not run that down there? Because round here going to fill out. You render to the margin, but if you look round here, so render go right out. Because round here have to render right down to the ground. But here, right here, I go fill out. Here I go fill out with dirt. Backfill. Right, Josh? Alright. So people, just the day, the 13th, while the setup is going on, wherever it's going on, the masons will be here to just do the final touch. Because a lot of rain falling, but it's okay. So, yeah. That's good, man. Right, yeah, so the little finishing touch when I make today, we do some little rendering, but we need to come back and make a special touch on the back. And paint, need them step here to cut deeper. Them step here, we cut more proper, that means that we can carry down the bar sensibly. The might just be two when they are there, we are trying to patch out something for sure what go on. But then we have to cut deeper, Jaja. Because the water drop, we don't know if on the day it's going to be too much water. So we have to know where to do down here with this road here, because serious thing will go on. But remember, say, yes, the man saying requesting if he come here, so you know. So yes, we have to bring him. And no matter what go on, it have to be done a film decision. Remember, the funeral is the 14th. But we are going to do it from the 12th to the 13th.
So definitely that are gonna be Friday, Saturday. Still doing what we're doing until the funeral day. Okay? Yeah, so right now I left we're gonna left up, you know. But we now cannot spirit with it. So we're gonna tap down at the place where we know we are going to get we clear our stomach. Okay? A whole heap of grave with design and build a whole heap of this shit. But here one now, you see that gate there? A gully bop we a bust it pan. Righteous? People, look what we do when we live grave digging. Follow it.
Yes.